Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art and Happy New Year to everyone. Let's get the year started by drawing Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach Vanny. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this. So this will be my first character for the new year, 2022. So let's get started with this, and this is actually a very creepy looking character. Alright, so we're going to begin by drawing in the overall head shape first, and then we'll draw in the details inside. So we're going to start out right on the top here. Okay, so just one curve. Now we'll try to draw this symmetrical, so we're going to come down on the side. Just round it out, so this will be the cheek, and then now we just pinch it down. It's gonna be a little bit sharper here on the bottom, and then just round it out. Alright, so that's gonna be the head shape, and now let's draw in the details inside. We're gonna come right to the middle of this. This is gonna be the nose, so just one little arc. Just gonna make it flat on the bottom, and then let's go ahead and draw in the mouth. So I'm going to start in the middle right here. Just going to curve out. So here's the corner of the mouth. Now we're going to come back down. So pretty much just follow the jawline right there. Okay, and then for the details inside, it's one tooth, and then let's see for the tongue. Let's draw a little arc all the way around. Alright, so once we have this, now we can draw in the eyes. So just come out to the side right here. You can make two little points. This one's going to go up. So it's going to be quite large. Just curve up. And now we're going to come back down. So it's pretty much like an almond shape, but it's slanted this way. Alright, and then now for the eye inside, the eyeball, just one egg shape here. And then right in the middle, just like a little dot, just make it a little bit longer. And let me go ahead and shade this in so we can make it nice and creepy. Okay, so even down here, I'm just gonna shade this up. Alright, and then let's see, more details on the eye right here. There's gonna be one eyelash, one more on the bottom, and then just continue this way. Let's draw two more. And then for the little eyebrow here, so this one's easy, just right on top, just draw a little line and then turn that into pretty much a triangle. Okay, so let's continue on. I know there's some stitches. We can draw that in last. Let's go ahead and draw in the ears first. Okay, so for the ear, come to the middle here. You can make two little points. This one's gonna go up. Okay, so this part's a little bit tricky because it's folding down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw this line first. So we're gonna come back down with a curve. It's all the way to the eye. I know it looks really weird right now. Now I'm going to draw this. So get to the corner here. Slant down, give it a slight curve, and then now we'll round everything out. So from this part here, just round off the bottom. Okay, so now that we have this, now we can draw in the, I guess the inside right here. Okay. And we can add in two lines inside, so this will be slightly darker. All right, so it looks a little bit tricky, but it's actually very easy to draw. All right, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So right here, I'm just gonna draw in the little bow tie first. One circle, and actually this bow tie is quite large. So just go out, and then just close it off. And on the bottom right here, just gonna add in one little line here for some detail. And then the neck. So just come down and we won't see the shoulders right here. All right, so now we're gonna come down to the chest area. Just draw two curves coming down. And then for the waist, we're gonna start right here. Small little waist. Okay, so once we have this, let's go ahead and continue down and we'll join the arms later. All right, so here's the waist. Just come down here, make one little line. And now we're gonna draw in the hip and the leg and the thigh. So just one big curve going out. Starting inside here, now I'm gonna draw the inside of the thigh. Okay, and then continue down. Just gonna draw in pretty much like a really wide bracket. And then from here, we're gonna continue down here. So just kind of pinch it in slightly. And that's gonna pretty much give us the leg, and now we have to draw in the foot. So the foot, we're gonna draw in just 3 toes. We're gonna start right here. Just draw one big circle right here on the inside. And then I'm gonna draw one more here, going out this way, so slightly behind this. And then one more. Okay, so start here. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the lower body, and again, we'll draw in the details later. All right, so now let's draw in this hand right here. It's gonna be holding the knife. So come out to the chest area right here, just come out. Let's draw like a little rounded rectangle. And that's gonna be the hand. And we'll add in 2 lines right here. That's gonna give us the fingers. The thumb right here, just one little curve. Okay, so now we're gonna come straight down here. Just draw like a little, this will be the handle. So just like a little bar. And then now for the blade, we can extend this, make this a little bit longer. This one's gonna come down, and then this one's just gonna connect to that. So nice and sharp. And now that we have the hand, we'll just connect the shoulders and the arms. So shoulder's gonna be right around here, so I'm just gonna draw a line and just kind of connect it. And here's the armpit. So I'm just gonna curve it down somewhere around there. All right, so now for the other one, and this one's a little bit easier. So again, here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder. Just gonna come down. This will be the elbow. Just gonna give it a slight curve and then straighten it out. And then for the hand, here's the thumb. So we'll just kind of keep this cartoony right here. Here's the back of the hand. And let's see, I have the fingers out. We can, yeah, let's just keep it this way then. All right, so I'm just gonna come down here. Just round it out, go back up, and just connect to that. And we can add in just one little bump here for the other fingers. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So now for the little details, and this one's easy. We'll just draw in a line. And then once you have the line, we're just drawing the stitches all the way around. So very simple. Okay, so I think there's a couple more back here, right? Down here. So this part's fun because, you know, you really can't go wrong. Just whatever line you have, just add some stitches and it'll look pretty cool. So this one goes all the way out. I think there's one more in there, and yeah, it's getting a little bit small. I'm just gonna draw a little bit bigger here so we can see a little bit better. And that is it for this very creepy looking Vanny. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.